Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video I am going to be making oha soup, okay, on a budget. All right, so you're going to be seeing what I'm using to make the soup and how I make the soup and how I achieve the soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment.
That's nice, right? Okay. Like this, no. Like this. This book here does
but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's more.
Kai, madam, please leave it. Take this one.
Thank you.
I stopped going out to
What's that?
It's called oha leaf.
Already.
Yes, oha.
Oha.
Yes, oh good girl. Oha.
Oha.
I quit falling
During
into love
this
that
year.
had no meaning.
Aha yo nini. Say afambo.
Avabu.
Afambo.
Avabu.
Mona chisom.
Mona Jisu.
Irema.
Lima.
Say yes. Say a.
What's that?
Nene. It has finished.
There's a storm inside my
Let's play here.
I'm still standing
Take one.
on 2 feet. Let the current
Here you. Keep the little mother.
when the water gets too deep. All the darkness in my mind, pain that
Oh,
I
Nene.
can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time.
Eh? Mona chisom. Ile nye nsogbu. Ewo no onye nsogbu. Ka para nsogbu n'isi gị nwa. Ngba calm down now. Nida. Nida ne?
I'm falling again.
How will you fall again?
Yes. Come on, carry me.
Me go.
Spend all my days searching. So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again I'll go back to my reality. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song.
Madam, leave that place. Stop doing that, please. And leave the tomato alone. Eh?
My heart is yours to keep. Color it down with a song to keep. Please don't ever leave. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond.
What?
So instead I'll sing this song. Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over, it still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep buying time, I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see.
Why you do that?
Cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep buying time. There's a storm inside my dreams. I'm still standing on 2 feet. Let the current carry me when the water gets too deep. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep buying time.
Don't mind my food, okay? Alright, let's go.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless and
Eat that thing. Hot table. Stop that.